Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT with Google Sheets. Let's get started. If you're stuck in a formula, ask ChatGPT what formula finds duplicates in the column A, then copy and paste the solution directly into Sheets. Then you can also use ChatGPT to write a custom app script to clean messy data like trimming spaces, removing duplicates, or formatting phone number in bulk. If you want product description, hashtags, or email copy in Sheets, use ChatGPT plus Sheets add-ons like ChatGPT for Sheet and Docs to generate content straight into cells. It also has an AI analysis. Copy your sales or survey data into ChatGPT and ask, summarize this table or give insights on trends. Use the results to build better dashboards. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.